Hello everyone, this is Aarti welcoming you all to Campus, the pulse of GNC. Today's headlines are as follows. COVID-19 cases skyrocketing in India, lockdown becomes a time for healing souls and relations, exposure to digital devices increases and everything becomes online. 2020 was welcomed with open arms and big hugs, but unfortunately it was not like any other year. It brought along COVID-19 that caused the world to shut down temporarily. This year brought in deaths, loss of finances and jobs. But all negatives aside, it gave us a break from our daily lives. It allowed us to heal our souls and improve our relations with our family and friends. Here we have a reporter Samia to have a little chit chat with a family member.
During this pandemic, we all know how we enjoyed being with our family. Everyone had a great and precious time with their loved ones. So let's ask my brother, Mr. Srinidhi Manoj, who was always busy with his work. Hello.
Hi.
How was your experience during this lockdown?
I spent a very good time with my family members
Okay.
because I was very much busy with my work schedule,
Okay.
so that I got a chance to know about our family members.
Okay.
Everyone got a chance to know importance of our life.
Exactly. So yeah, you had a great time in lockdown. So did you learn new things?
I didn't learn anything. I'm the person who's always been lazy at home, so that I was just helping to my mom to preparing food every day. So I never danced in front of my family members. So for the first time I did dance in front of them.
That will make a very good memory in your life.
Yeah.
So did you do anything to yourself to improve your mental health?
Yes, of course. I used to pray God every day. That makes me a good mindset. And I have now never done exercise, yoga, meditation and all. But at this time, I have done yoga, meditation and all daily.
Okay. Yeah. Any tips from your side to our audience?
Please wear mask and use sanitizer regularly and be aware of COVID-19.
Okay. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you.
This is reporter Samya with camera person Sneha from Campbell signing off for today.
Thank you, reporter Samia, for showing us their perspective about family time amidst the lockdown. Now, moving on, we are going to see what our families did to keep themselves entertained in these trying times. Here we have reporter Ritu to do a walkthrough with her family and capture a few moments.
Family time is an essential factor. Combining the things we love to do and family times can be a good part of solution. Let's see how quarantine with family looks like. Cooking together is fun with family. This creates closer bonds and help build lifelong memories. In this quarantine, this time is used to listen, share and talk with your family members. Cooking together is special parenting time. Gardening as family lets you create lasting memories and offers more opportunities to connect with one another. Family and gardens are natural partners because it's all about fun and change. Laughter and joy can be a complementary present in a family gardening time. It also gives you immense pleasure of being together.
Thank you, reporter Ritu, for capturing those moments so beautifully. Now we will see how our families had fun during this lockdown. Here we have reporter Shushmita doing a little piece to camera.
Thank you, Aarti. As we all know, before pandemic situations, each and everyone in the family was busy with their own works. They didn't have time to spend with their family. As we all know now, the COVID-19 has took control over the world. Each and everyone in the family, they came to the value of unity. And in this pandemic situation, the parents-children's bonding has become more stronger, and the parents are trying to observe the children's interests, hobbies, and the new skills development. This wonderful video shows that how families enjoying their COVID break by playing games, watching TV together, and parents helping children with their craft works and then teaching their family cultures. This is reporter Sushmita with cameraman Dhanush Campus News.
Thank you, Shushmita, for capturing those moments so beautifully. That is it for today's show, which featured family times during lockdown. Signing off, this is Aarti from Campus, the Pulse of GNC. Stay tuned for more.